Personal finance is a chore, and ultimately technology can only do so much for consumers and for financial professionals. So at Balance, we leverage technology to empower higher quality financial service experiences. So with our platform, not only do we provide an alternative for consumers who are looking for a new way to manage their finances, where we can do it for them, we also support CPAs, financial advisors, and professional bookkeepers that support those clients. So today we're going to show off a few different new innovations. Let's start with our iPhone app, and we're going to show off our photo bill pay feature. So with Balance, every client gets a bookkeeper, and that bookkeeper can help with tracking expenses, spending, and paying bills. But with bill pay, bills still show up at the house, inconvenience for the client. So they pull out the iPhone app. They enter in some basic details on that payment, and then they're going to snap a picture. Now once they're done with this process, they send the bill off to Balance, where we'll pay it for them. But we're not just paying the bill. Making payments is only part of people's personal financial chores. We're going to do a detailed analysis of this payment. We're going to use our analytics engine, which takes into account the client's complete financial picture, as well as rules and parameters that were set up by the client with their bookkeeper. Now from there, we're going to make the decision whether or not this bill should be paid, which it looks like it has been. So again, bill pay is only part of people's financial chores, and so great, we've given them a very convenient way to deal with it. This is only part of my finances, so I'm going to use another feature of the iPhone app. I'm actually going to call my bookkeeper. For many clients, they can leverage FaceTime through the app. I'm going to call my bookkeeper, Carrie, and I want to talk to her about what this particular bill means for my finances and make an improvement to the overall process and maybe make some adjustments to my account. So we'll call Carrie right now, who is back in Seattle, and many bookkeepers work for Balance, but we also support many around the country. Hey, Carrie, is this a good time?
Hi, Devin. Yeah, not a problem. How can I help you today?
Well, I just uploaded a new bill, and I wanted to talk to you about it.
Yeah, no problem. Go right ahead.
Well, perfect. So this is a new medical bill, and I wanted to make 12 payments on a recurring plan at $50 a month, and then make sure my budget and my expenses were updated as well.
Okay, sounds good. I'm going to go ahead and increase your medical budget by $50 a month.
Yeah, that's perfect.
I'll make the changes right away. Is there anything else?
That's it. Thanks, Carrie.
Have a good day.
Thanks. Again, technology that's empowering a great service. So Carrie, and there's tens of thousands of bookkeepers around the country already providing personal services to clients or working with businesses. And our technology not only helps clients like me who just are looking for a new way to manage their finances, but helps that professional. Let's talk about another professional group, CPAs. Now, many CPAs can use Balance on our free view-only account and help make sure their clients are better organized and prepared for tax time. So let's say I'm out and about as a client, and I go to Goodwill, and I donate a bunch of stuff. And typically, as I am, I'm probably going to lose the receipt that they gave me. So I pull out the iPhone app, and I go into the file cabinet. And I'm actually going to snap a picture with our photo file feature. And when I snap a picture of this receipt, it's going to get synced with the online filing cabinet that we provide to clients, which they can then in turn provide access to their financial professional, such as a CPA or their financial advisor. And so then again, come tax time, I've not only got myself organized with statements and receipts and other documentation, and Balance is giving great technology to the consumer to provide all of those tools, but even I can provide or have my bookkeeper do expense tracking and budgeting and put together custom spending reports that for me and my CPA will provide a really great user experience and also help with tax preparation in a more convenient, streamlined way. Now let's talk about another financial group, and if we can, let's switch to the web application at this time. So last time we were here at Finovate, we talked about our bill pay service and how it worked with bookkeepers and things. Let's focus on a new feature on our web application. And now clients can connect all of their financial accounts to Balance, and that bookkeeper that you've been assigned can put together custom reporting reports for you. They can put together all sorts of detail. And I see who my bookkeeper is right away, as you saw Carrie there again. And when I log into Balance after I've signed up, I can see all my financial reports and other detail. Now, before I started using Balance, I was actually at my financial advisor, and the meeting didn't go so well. We're supposed to have a regular checkup and look at the plan and see how everything was going and look at my finances, but I wasn't organized. I didn't have any data. I didn't really know what I was spending. There was some income that was kind of missing that I thought I was supposed to have. It was a very unproductive meeting. So my advisor actually referred me to Balance. My advisor likes Balance because it helps him better engage with his clients. It gives an extension to his service that empowers long-term planning and better services overall for his firm, but also keeps me more organized so that, again, I'm going to be more inclined to work with that advisor and be better engaged. Again, when I'm with Balance, though, I've got my reports in one place. My bookkeeper and I have set up a custom filing cabinet where we're storing reports, tax documents, other important information in my finances. I can even go and have my bookkeeper decide to pay a few bills for me. So again, I'm now really organized. This is great. I've had my bookkeeper doing all this work for me. I haven't even really done that much. I just had to sign up and give some feedback. So now I'm ready to go meet with my financial advisor again and see how this meeting goes. So here's my financial advisor. It happens to be Warren Buffett, who, if you have a good in, he actually will do some personal planning on the side. So Warren, how you doing today?
Good, Devin. Great to see you. I like to meet with my clients once a year to update financial plans and prepare for tax time.
Did you have a chance to look at my balance account?
Sure did. I have view-only access, and your bookkeeper did a great job making sure all your important documents and transactions were updated for us to get a clear and accurate idea of what was going on in your life.
Yeah, with the iPhone app and all the web app stuff, it was really easy to stay organized.
We also found your spending and custom reports.
Yeah, with Carrie, I didn't even really have to do anything. She categorizes everything and runs the reports for me.
Well, it looks like we're all ready for tax time and can make some informed decisions on how to move forward with the financial plan we started last year.
Great. It was a much better meeting. Not only for me as a client, I feel satisfied, I'm organized, I'm on plan, but for my advisor, Warren, who's a pretty busy guy these days, obviously makes his job a lot easier. So again, personal finance is a chore. Technology can only do so much for consumers who are looking to manage this chore across the board, whether it be day-to-day or long-term. With Balance, we empower higher quality service. And so we hope you come by our booth and learn about how we help all these different professionals and what our different offering for consumers looks like. Thank you very much for your time and hope you swing by.